this is Teacher Malu and welcome back again sa Math Habit. Okay, so ang pag-aaralan naman natin in this video is multiplying and dividing decimals. So I hope na panood nyo na yung part 1 ng video na to, yung addition and subtraction ng decimals. Okay, so let's proceed. So let's start now. Let's proceed to dividing decimals. Okay, so paano naman mag-divide ng decimals by whole number? Okay, so we have example here. Divide 9.36 or 9 and 36 hundredths by 4. So we have here 9.36 divided by 4. Okay, so we have steps to follow also sa pag-divide ng decimal. Okay, so kapag whole number na yung ating divisor, okay, yung ating divisor, yung nasa labas ng equation at yung nasa loob is na tinatawag natin na dividend at yung sagot naman natin is yung quotient. Okay, so kapag whole number na yung ating divisor, yung pang-divide natin, ang gagawin nyo na lang is place the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend. So, kung saan nakatapat yung decimal point ng dividend natin, itatapat nyo na lang yung point dun sa taas and then divide as in whole numbers. Okay? So, ganun lang yung gagawin nyo. Pag nailagay nyo na yung decimal point sa quotient, magdi-divide na tayo. Then, insert zeros to the dividend when needed. Okay? So, let's divide. So, 9 divided by 4 or ilang 4 meron sa 9? We have 2. And then, i-apply natin DMSBR natin. Then, multiply. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Then, subtract. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And then, bring down 3. Okay, so 13 divided by 4, we have here 3, and then 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 13 minus 12 is 1, and then bring down again hanggang sa maubos yung ating dividend. So 16 divided by 4, we have 4, and then 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay, 16 minus 16 is 0. Okay, ubos na yung dividend natin. So, tapos na yung ating pag-divide. Okay, therefore, ang ating final answer in this problem or yung quotient natin is 2.34 or 2 and 34 hundredths. Okay, so what if naman pag nag-divide tayo ng decimal by another decimal? Okay, this is another case. For example, we have to divide 281.25 by 2.25. So, ito siya ngayon. Okay, so ang goal natin, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng decimal by another decimal, ang goal natin is gagawin mo natin na whole number yung ating divisor. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-divide na hindi pa naka-whole number yung divisor natin. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yon? Gagawin whole number. Change the divisor to a whole number by moving the decimal point to the rightmost places. I-move natin yung decimal point dun sa right side, sa dulong right side para maging whole number siya. Okay, so dito sa ating 2.25, mag-move tayo ng 1, 2. 2 decimal places. So, ayun na ngayon yung ating decimal point. Okay. So, pagkatapos natin gawing whole number yung ating divisor, i-move din natin yung decimal point sa dividend. Kung ilang decimal place yung minove natin sa ating divisor, ganun din karami yung i-move natin sa ating dividend. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 0 kung kailangan. Okay, so from that decimal point, punta tayo sa right, move tayo ng 2. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating decimal point. So, walang blank spaces, so hindi natin kailangan mag-add ng 0 in this problem. Okay, pag nagawa na natin yan, magdi-divide na tayo like whole numbers. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating equation. So, 28,125 divided by 225. Okay, whole number na ngayon yung ating divisor, kaya pwede na natin siyang simulan na i-divide. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating equation. So, we have 28,125 divided by 225. Okay, since whole number na yung ating divisor, we can place directly yung decimal point natin dun sa ating quotient. So, kung nasan yung ating decimal point sa dividend, ilalagay lang din natin siya dun sa taas o dun sa ating quotient. And then, we can divide normally just like whole number. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa 281. So, ilang 225 meron sa 281. Okay? Siyempre, meron tayong isa lang. So, itatapat natin yung quotient kung saan yung last digit ng dinivide natin. So, since 281, nakatapat siya dun sa 1. And then, following the MSBR, pagka-divide, magmumultiply tayo. 1 times 225. Okay, we have 225. And then, subtract. 281 minus 225 will give us 56. Pagka-subtract, let's bring down 1. Let's bring down 2 rather. So, 562 na. And then, divide again. Ulitin natin yung DMSBR. So, kung nagtataka kayo sa DMSBR, pwede nyong panoorin yung long division na video para mas maintindihan nyo yung sinasabi ko na DMSBR. Okay, so now let's continue. So 562 divide natin sa 225. So meron tayong 2 and then 2 times 25 will give us 450. Then subtract natin 562 minus 450 will give us 112. And then let's bring down the last digit 5. We have now 1,125. Divide na natin sa 225. That will give us 5. And then 5 times 225 is 1,125. And then subtracting it from 1,125 will give us 0. Okay, so the answer in our equation, 28,125 divided by 225 is 125. Okay, so that's it. So let's have another example. So we have here okay, dividing decimal again by another decimal. So we have here 52.7 divide by 5.25. Okay, so again, ang goal natin is gawin muna nating whole number yung ating divisor, yung term na nasa labas. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yon? From decimal places, mag-move tayo papunta sa dulo na right. So, in this case, so from 5.25 mula sa decimal place, mag-move tayo ng 2 decimal places. So, ayun na yung point natin. And then, after nating magawang whole number yung ating divisor, okay, move the decimal point in the dividend to as many places as the decimal point. Okay, kung ilang beses natin na-minove yung divisor, since here, minove natin ng 2 places to the right, magmumove din tayo ng 2 places to the right dun sa ating dividend from the decimal point. So, we have here 1 and then 2. Okay, dun yung ating point. Since meron tayong blank space, so kailangan nating mag-add ng 0 as our placeholder, okay, para satisfy natin yung equation. Okay, so ngayon, ito na ngayon yung ating equation. And then, divide like whole numbers. Okay, so meron na tayo ngayong 5,270 divided by 525. Since whole number na yung divisor natin, we can place directly our decimal point katapat ng ating dividend. Lalagay na natin sa quotient and then we will start dividing. So, 527 divided by 525, that will give us 1. Okay, again, itatapat natin yung answer na 1 dun sa last digit na dinivide natin. Since 527, ang last digit ay 7, so nakatapat yung 1. So, then multiply 1 times 525 and then subtract 527 minus 525 will give us 2. Okay. Okay, so para matuloy natin, bring down natin yung 0. Okay, then divide by 525. Since nag-bring down tayo pero hindi pa rin natin pwedeng i-divide yung 20 sa 524, maglalagay tayo ng 0 as sa ating quotient kasi okay, so since hindi pa rin natin pwedeng i-divide yung 20 sa 525, mag-add ulit tayo ng 0 after ng decimal point. So, bring down natin siya. So, we have now dividend na 200. So, i-test natin 200 divided by 525. So, hindi pa rin siya pwede. Pero, nag-bring down kasi tayo, pero hindi pa rin siya pwedeng i-divide. Kaya, kailangan natin maglagay ng 0 sa ating quotient. So, basta nag-add tayo ng 0 and nag-bring down tayo and then hindi pa siya pwedeng i-divide, we will be adding 0 as our quotient. Okay, so let's add hanggang sa pwede na tayong mag-divide. Mag-add ulit tayo ng 0 and then let's bring it down. So, meron na tayo ngayong 2,000. So, i-test natin ngayon kung pwede na natin i-divide sa 525. So, 2,000 divided by 525. So, pwede na. So, ilang 525 meron tayo ngayon sa 2,000? So, we have 3. And then, after dividing, let's multiply 3 times 525. We have 1,575. And then, let's subtract 2,000 minus 1,575. That will give us 425. Okay, and then the division will continue. Okay, so, mag-stop na tayo dito sa 10 and 300s. Pero you can still continue depende sa kung ano yung hinihinging requirements ng problem. Okay, so for example, ang requirements is give your answer hanggang sa thousands place. Okay, you can continue. You can keep on solving this problem or in 10,000s place. Okay, but this one, nag-stop tayo dito. There, ang ating final answer is nasa hundreds place. So our answer is 10 and 3 hundredths. And then we have the remainder of 425. Okay, so that's it. That's how we divide decimal by another decimal. Okay. So, ayun. So, I hope natutunan kung paano mag-divide at mag-multiply ng decimals. Okay, so, kung hindi pa kayo nagla-like and nagsusubscribe, please do like and subscribe para lagi updated sa mga latest videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you so much again for listening and watching. See you again next time.